have no choice.
I have no choice.
I have no choice. It doesn't have to be this way. I have no choice. Times have changed.
You chose the career, Miss.
I have no choices here, Daniel. I have no choices.
I have no choice. No one can protect me from him. Not even you.
I'm gonna miss these little talks of ours.
Not if you don't leave.
I have no choice.
Until we get this sorted out, I have no choice but to allow you to enter the International Transit Lounge.
I have no choice but to take the case.
There is nothing I can do for them. I have no choice.
Then I have no choice.
Appears I have no choice.
Why are you destroying our planet?
I have no choice.
I have no choice. I'm gonna sit your manager branch. Leo DeRocha is suspended from baseball for a year.
Please, you can't do this.
I have no choice.
Why even argue about it if you already know how this is gonna end?
I have no choice. Everything is preordained.
You understand? I cannot allow them to grow up as my enemies.
I have no choice.
I have no choice but to impose the maximum penalty allowed by the law. Anger management class.
Pluck my life.